In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shop app customer service. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to reach a real support representative when you need help. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Shop app. This helps you land on the official page quickly. Look for the official Shop site and make sure the URL is correct before you click, so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the official page, click Sign In. If you're already signed in on your device, you can skip this part. Signing in ensures any help you receive is tailored to your orders and account, which speeds up troubleshooting. Now, move into the Shop app on your phone or tablet. On the main screen, tap the account icon in the bottom corner. This is your personal hub for everything related to your profile, orders, and settings. From there, tap Settings. Settings is where you'll find the tools that connect you to support resources. Inside Settings, select Help Center. The Help Center is designed to solve the most common issues without waiting for a response. You can search for answers by typing a short phrase that describes your issue. For example, try Track My Delivery, Change Email, or Update Payment Method. Be specific. Adding a keyword like a courier name or an error message can surface more accurate results. As you open articles, scan the step-by-step guidance and follow any screenshots or tips provided. If you don't find what you need, don't worry. Scroll to the bottom of most help articles to find a Contact Us or chat option. Tap that to message a support representative. When you start a chat, briefly describe your issue and include helpful details like the order number or the store name associated with the purchase. Clear, concise information helps support resolve your case faster. Avoid sharing sensitive information like full card numbers or passwords. Support will never need those to assist you. While you wait, keep the app open or enable notifications so you don't miss replies. If you step away, the conversation usually stays available in the app, so you can return to it later and pick up where you left off. That's it. Search for the official Shop app, sign in, open the Account tab, go to Settings, enter the Help Center, try a focused search, and if needed, use Contact Us or chat to reach a real person. Follow these steps the next time you need help, and you'll get to the right answer faster.